Counting of votes is underway for the assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana. The National Conference Congress alliance appears to have crossed the majority mark in Jammu and Kashmir, with early results showing both parties winning seats, including victories for BJP's Darshan Kumar in Basholi and Nazir Ahmed Khan in Gurez. In Haryana, the BJP is poised for a third consecutive term, leading in multiple constituencies, including Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini in Ladwa and from Congress former Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda and Garhi Sampla Kiloi. Voting in Jammu and Kashmir was held in 3 phases, while Haryana voted on October 5th. Seats won for the 86 seats in Jammu and Kashmir show National Conference won 42 seats, BJP won 29 seats, Congress won 6 seats. Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party won 3 seats. In Haryana, out of the 90 seats, BJP won 48 seats and Congress won 37 seats.